Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix stuck at just a moment blue screen here in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that we need to do is at the start icon, please do a right click, scroll up and then go with settings. Once the settings is ready, directly proceed to the system, which is next to home. Okay, and then you need to go with notifications at the third options. Okay, now here at the notifications, you need to click this down arrow. Okay, and make sure that all of this are turned off. Okay, now you'll get an option here. In my case, I don't get an option, but if you see show me the Windows welcome experience after updates and occasionally when I logged and or signed in to highlight what's new and suggested, you need to you need to turn that on. I mean off, sorry. You need to turn that off, as well as the suggest ways I can finish setting up my device to get the most out of Windows. You need to make sure that it is turned off as well. Just have to make sure that all of this are turned off, okay? In my case, I don't get the two options, which I have said earlier. But in your case, if you have that, just have to turn it off, okay? And once you're done, just have to close this window and then you need to check if your problem has been fixed. However, if not, then we need to proceed to our second step, okay? Our second step would be we need to bring up our Google Chrome. So here at the desktop screen, you can simply tap it if you see your Google Chrome there. But if not, you can use this button search bar and then search for your Google Chrome, okay? Here at the search bar, please use this and then type for download Windows 11. Okay. So the moment you've typed it, you need to click on enter. And there you would be able to see a list of options. You just have to go with the first one, which is under the Microsoft.com website. It's very safe and secure. Okay. So here, just have to scroll down. Okay. And it has this options. Okay. Where you can download. Okay. Just have to click this down arrow and then select this. Okay, so once you have selected it, click on download now and just have to wait until you are being redirected to the downloaded and then confirm. Okay, let's just choose first a language that we'd like to or that we'd understand and then confirm. And you just have to wait until you are being redirected to the downloading of this file. Okay, so go with this. And there you have that. Just have to wait until this would be downloaded here in our Windows. Okay. So that's it. Hopefully this video helps you. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.